here with a fidget spinner and long Hummel, and today we are playing with the fidget spinner and also doing some trick fails on a fort I made. So yeah, if any of you are an editor, please comment, and if you hear any noises from my two brothers, just please ignore that. And like that. So please ignore that, and I think this is a good position for you to stay right there, and then we'll get into it. Let's do this. Yeah!
Ooh. Yeah! Let's take turns. Boo!
James, no throwing Legos.
Yeah!
I believe I can.
You're freaking dog. Okay. I got this feeling inside my bone.
So you guys can see the fidget spinner.
Not real.
I believe I can fly.
No, you dad boy.
I can believe I can fly.
No, you didn't fly.
I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to end it there, and yeah, I think I'm gonna let you guys see the fidget spinner for a couple of more minutes or seconds. So yeah, see you guys with another video. Goodbye!